Hi everyone, here it's Brian Khatambakhsh here, team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team, and BrianSoldGuarantee.com. It's another Friday in Real Estate with Brian, and I just want to tell people about some of the services that we do provide in addition to everyone else that will help you sell your home for the most amount of money as fast as possible with least amount of hassles and headache. Selling a home is not easy, and preparing your home for sale is also not that easy. I have talked to a lot of people are just terrified by just thinking of, oh my God, how am I gonna get my house ready? Look, we are very resourceful. We can help you with that. We can help you with anything that's involved in preparing your home. Some of the things that I just noted here, and I'm going to tell you about it. We can help you with it. We are a full service boutique style real estate team. We can help you with anything. We have clients that give us their key and they say, oh, get the home sell, and then we get the home sold. So from that stage, what we call that a white glove services. So we get the key and then we prepare the home, put it in the market, we sell it, all the way to all do it yourself. But we are also very resourceful. If you need help with anything, we can help you with staging. Like we know stagers, we know how to stage your home, professional jobs, how to show the most amount of square footage in your home, how to depersonalize your home. These are the details of the staging. Not every staging is the same. Our stagers are award-winning teams that they've done thousands of homes. They know how to make people fall in love with your house, how to make your home be appealing to a lot larger audience than anybody else, and then how they make people fall in love with your lifestyle as well. These are very important details. It's not just about furnitures and colors. It's about the combination of all of these. The details are the most important part of things. Now, when it comes to decluttering, we are very resourceful with that too. We know a lot of donation companies that you can donate to you, from books to furnitures to accessories, all that stuff. They'll come and take it from you. We can also help with you haul it there. If you need to move some heavy stuff around, and often for older people it's difficult to move some things that are heavy, we do have movers. We can move them all for you between the home rooms, or even the garage and basement upstairs. We can take care of all of that for you. The other thing that we could help you with is painting. Of course, we know a lot of painters that they do a really good job and charge you a fair amount, but they know the urgency of things, so they know it needs to be done quickly with the best quality and the finishing touches that are acceptable. Hey, garbage is another big thing. A lot of people say, oh my God, when you live somewhere, we all know as a homeowner, when you live somewhere, you collect a lot of stuff. The longer you stay, the more you collect. That's just it's just nature of life. Getting rid of those could be also a challenging task for some people. We know people that can bring a bin for you and you can fill it up and they take it away. We know movers that we can take the stuff, big items for you to the dump site and dump it. We are very resourceful. We have all that stuff too. And in addition to that, we know almost a good person in every trade business. Some of the things that I mentioned, we know a lot of good handymen. All right, contractors from roof, furnace, AC, a plumber if you need plumber job, windows and doors. We got really good people for that too. Landscaping. I did mention the painter, and anything you can name it, we have it. So you don't have to worry about searching for these people. You don't have to worry about what to do. We will tell you what to do. We can tell you what needs to be done and what doesn't. Basically, we can give you tips on what some inexpensive stuff that increase the value of your home, and sometimes things not to do to hurt yourself with the price of your home. All of this stuff, we've been doing that for many years. Our listings have a great reputation in the market. It's always clean and presentable. Oh, by the way, we also have a lot of professional cleaners. We can clean your home from top to bottom professionally, so it will be very, very presentable. It's important. First impression is the most important impression. Your curb appeal, your entrance, and the rest of the house. These are really, really important things. So if you like to know about some of this stuff, if you have any question, or if you need any of the trade people that comes to your mind, please let us know. Please like us and follow us, so when I have the next video, you will be notified. Please like us. Tell people about us. Share this with other people who are planning to sell their home, so they see all these services are available. They're not alone. Give us a call and sit back. We can take care of the whole thing. Like us, or you can always contact us. I'm always open for your questions. 647-848-2652. Call me or text me. 647-848-2652. Or you can DM me. Alternatively, you can also call my cell, but you guys can also Google us. We are all over the Google. Everything is possible. And I just want to tell you, as most of you know, I always give the stats about real estate as soon as the month ends. And today is it's actually April 30th. So tomorrow, look for stats that I give you for the month of May. You don't have to wait for Toronto Real Estate Board to get these numbers. I get access to these things as soon as they become available. I have paid accesses that are much faster than TREB numbers to come out, and I will share that with you at no cost, right? So tune in tomorrow for the TREB numbers for the month of April and see how it compares to the last month and the last year, okay? Until then, I'm Brian Khatambakhsh, team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team and Remax Hallmark. Have a great evening. If you want to get a hold of us, please like this video or call me 647-848-2652 and have a fantastic day.